If you searched how to buy shares of Autodesk Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the main steps. Autodesk is a leading design and engineering software company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ADSK, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy stock. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ADSK to locate Autodesk Inc. Select the listing that matches Autodesk and NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the Autodesk asset page, review the company summary and study the price chart to understand recent activity. Confirm the page shows Autodesk Inc. trading on NASDAQ with the ADSK ticker before continuing. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once completed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.